Hi guys and girls, welcome back to the Handle Cars YouTube channel, and today's episode is again about intro logo animation or logo animation intro that I made on Adobe After Effects. Yeah, but before that, I'm introducing you with this interesting footage. At least it's interesting for me, but I don't know about you guys, but because it kind of like reminds me old good days when I was young and had more freedom than right now. And yeah, back then, to be honest, I never had any proper off-road vehicle. But yeah, back then I decided to do a kind of like thing that is close to off-roading, but it's technically not off-roading. But yeah, I was going on a dirt road and trying to kind of climb or drive on this Santiago mountain peak. And yeah, it was like December, January, something like that, and almost 10 years ago. And for those who don't know, in California, December and January is kind of like rainy season, and the road was quite bad. The elevation on that Santiago peak, as far as I remember, it was like 6,000 feet or almost 2 kilometers high. So I spent almost entire day just picking off the road those big boulders and rocks just to get enough clearance to go up the hill. And yeah, it was quite exhausting. But yeah, for off-road trucks, like proper off-road vehicles, those rocks are not the problem. But yeah, for the small city car like Nissan Sentra, they were a huge deal. So yeah, and it was quite an interesting experience for me. And some guys were passing by me, like kind of shouting and like, "Oh yeah, it's a nice off-road truck." Yeah, it was kind of fun, like, because they were making fun of me doing off-roading in this Nissan Sentra. Yeah, but mostly guys were polite, and when they saw me coming, they were always giving me the way, and which is nice. Like people who are doing off-road, they're always nice and helpful, like, and always positive. And yeah, we did it. Took almost entire day. So, but at least going downhill was quite easy because the road was already clean. So yeah, well, it was quite an adventure for me, and I didn't break anything. The car was fine. So yeah, it's a good car. Yeah, I would love to buy it again, something similar. It's a nice classy car. Yeah, so yeah, but let's just get back to the topic about the logo animations. So last week I made 2 videos about the logo animations, and you guys like the fiery one, and in this second video you like that kind of drawing paperish. I don't know how to properly call them, but yeah. So yeah, you like kind of those 2 the most, and yeah, I made some 5 more. I promise I'm not gonna make any more, probably, or maybe next video and that's it. Like no more videos about that, because I know you get tired of me kind of showing you what I do in my free time. So yeah, and the first one is like kind of like this headlight smoky one that yeah, you're gonna see it. Like it's quite interesting. Like, but the result is it's not what I expected to be. But yeah, at least I tried. So yeah, the second one is like this nerdy, geeky one with the electricity and something like that. But yeah, the third one is the glitchy one. Then the fourth one is like particle animation. And the fifth one is kind of like Fox style or HBO style, like logo animation. So yeah, just check it out. Let me know what you think and which one you prefer the best. We'll see which one gonna win this race. So yeah. So yeah guys, hope you liked at least one of those animations. Yeah, but I wanna just plug in my merch store right now, since you're all here. So yeah, if you want to support the channel, please visit merch store. We have quite cool t-shirt designs, and yeah, in the future I'm gonna probably, after this logo animations, we'll try to kind of make some more t-shirt designs, and yeah, kind of planning to do that. Yeah, and the other thing is that you can support channel by becoming our Patreon. So yeah, I already have 2 Patreons, and it's really nice that at least someone is supporting us, because YouTube do not allow us to monetize anything on this channel, and they never give us a proper explanation. So yeah, but thanks to my Patreons, Cajun Hot Rodder and Johnny Turner, you are amazing. And yeah, hope you guys like this animations, and hope you like me trying not to crash the car going down the hill footage. And we'll probably see you on the next video. Okay guys, stay positive and see you later. Bye.